What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be reviewing the VicTsing mechanical gaming keyboard. This is their newest model and comes in a variety of colors. This keyboard was my first choice because of the price and how good it looked. It came in this cardboard box with the VicTsing gaming keyboard logo on the front and a blank back. Alongside the keyboard in the box came instructions in many different languages and a keycap puller. To change the lighting modes, you had to click FN and INS. It came in this pulsing variety, which you could change by using the up arrow and FN. Another pulsing, but multiple keys. Whenever you touched a key, it would light up with this version. This version pulsated from the top to the bottom. This one was the most boring in my opinion. This one, whenever you pressed it, the keys would go dark. As you can see when I zoom in, when I press the key, it goes dark. This one is the gaming mode number 1 with just WASD and escape. And second gaming mode. Make sure you're very quiet. Here's a key test. Attached to the keyboard was a wrist rest, which you could not take off, which was one of the few negative factors about this keyboard. It was made in China with rubber grips and stands on the back of each side. I also ordered a VicTsing mouse, and the blue color on both matched perfectly. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. This keyboard was $35.99 on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description. I would definitely give this a 8.5 out of 10. This is a great sturdy keyboard, and it would be perfect for any of the gamers watching. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see ya.